Okay, Makita miter saw, 118 volt, doing squat. Doesn't want to run. This is looking more and more like a controller. It's not the switch. The switch is fine. Wiring looks good. Feel looks fine. Everything else is fine. Right. Controller it is. Not even got any shut stains or nothing to say how or where it's failed. Price this up. All new controller. See if we can get this fitted. Now, swap all of this for all of this. Change them over. Now, in honesty, as complicated as this looks, it's actually simple. There's nothing to this. 3 crimp connectors there. Plug socket there, and 2 battery terminals. Can't get them wrong. Battery terminals have full spade connectors. Match the colours, swap them over. Simple. Crimps, cut them off. Match the colours again. Ends are already stripped. All you need, a few connectors, a set of crimps. Change over your switch, flathead screwdriver. Looks complicated, but there's actually nothing to it. Everything's just plug and play. Replacing these battery terminals. This one's plain and simple. Red, yellow, black. You'll not mix up the polarities. The other battery terminals got orange and blue. So make sure you don't mix up the polarity on them ones there. Orange is plus, blue is negative. Now, get rid of this one. That's gone. See if we can get all this back into the machine again now. Take your time getting all this wiring on. Make sure it goes back the way you took it out. And make sure there's nothing's going to get nipped. Some of the cables are very, very fine. Last piece, we switch button. And hopefully sweet. That's her up and running. One controller changed on the Makita DLS110 36-volt miter saw. That there is roughly around a €300 repair. So 10-inch saw. Makita's the only one to buy for a 10-inch saw. Likes of a cordless Dewalt 56 or 54 volt twin battery. You're looking at about 500 quid a time to change the motor. At least in the Makita, you can buy all the parts separately. If your controller fails, you can replace that. If your actual stator fails, you can replace that. Your switch, your rotor, everything else separate, all your battery terminals. Any of them there fail, you can replace them on their own. You don't have to replace the entire motor unit. We've got expensive 300 quid, but better to repair it than just replace it. That's another one done. New controller fitted. Sweet.